In this video, we'll check out Pandora operation through your iPhone over to the FH-X731BT. Now, the FH-X731BT has a full Pandora interface built right into the head unit when it's operating through your iPhone. And there are two ways to connect your iPhone, wired or wireless. We'll show you how to do both of these things in the video. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may or may not have a CD slot across the top like this one, the on-screen and button operation is identical for the following Pioneer models: FH-X730BS, FH-X731BT, FH-X830BHS, and MVH-X690BS. We're going to start off with the wireless connection. Now, right now, my iPhone is paired and connected to the head unit using Bluetooth, and I know I have that connection because I see the Bluetooth logos up here. But so to get started, we're going to switch the head unit off and make sure we have a couple of settings right. So press and hold the source button for a couple of seconds till the head unit switches off. But I still have the clock on the display screen, and that's fine. Now I'll press in on the volume control. And I want to go to the System menu. Here's the System menu, and press Enter. And now I want to roll along here until I find my Phone Connection menu. Here's Phone Connection menu, and press Enter. And I have two choices here, Android or iPhone. In this case, I'm connecting an iPhone. So we'll press Enter right there. And I have two choices here, a wired connection or a Bluetooth connection. So we're going to show you how to do the wired connection in a couple of minutes. Right now, we'll show you how to do the wireless or the Bluetooth connection. So we'll choose Bluetooth, and now we're going to press the source button, and we're going to go to Pandora. Now, I've started the Pandora app on my phone, and the system begins to read the phone and begins to play a track. When I see Pandora and Pioneer over on the phone, I know that I have two-way communication between the phone and the in-dash receiver. If I want to skip to the next track on Pandora, I can just use the arrow button here. If I want to change the information displayed on the screen, touch the display button. If you don't like this song, you could give it a thumbs down, but I like this one, so we'll give it a thumbs up. I have my play and pause function on button number 4. And I have Pandora station creation on buttons 5 and 6. And that means I can create a new radio station in my Pandora account based on the song that I'm listening to or the artist with buttons number 5 and 6. If I want to browse for different radio stations in my Pandora account, touch the magnifying glass button. This brings up my station list. If I touch that button again, I can sort alphabetically or by date. If I want to choose a different radio station to play, just press in on the volume control. Now, let's set up the system to operate in a wired configuration. So the first thing I need to do is switch the head unit off. Press and hold for a moment on the source key until the head unit is off, but the clock is still on the screen, and that's fine. Now press in on the volume control, and we want the System menu. We'll press Enter. And we want the Phone Connection menu. We'll press Enter there. And we want iPhone, iPod, that's this phone here, to be connected. That's correct. And right now we're on the Bluetooth setting, but we want the wired setting for right now to hook up through USB. So we will just confirm that. And now I'll connect my phone through USB. We automatically go to the Pandora source and begin to play a track. The on-screen operation is identical for both the wireless and the wired configuration. You have the great benefit of charging your phone when it's plugged in through USB.